Hey guys, welcome back to Alice Customs Project Car TV. Today I'm just kind of messing around here in the shop for a little while. I got this new little stool to work out here in the shop. I got it for my birthday and I'm just going to put it together today, so it's going to be a quick little video. Stick around, we'll have a little bit of fun with it. Maybe we'll do some donuts or something, I don't know. Okay, so like most of you, I get questions from the family. Hey, what do you want for your birthday? Or what do you want for Christmas? Well, this year, I told them what I wanted, went and found the one I wanted, and gave them the link on Amazon. Family bought it. The reason I wanted this, the one I've had for probably 10 or 12 years, plastic tray stuff is broken out of it. The wheels are starting to not roll so good. So, not the cheapest thing is like $85. And I don't know how useful I'll find the drawers in it, because I tend to put my tools in a toolbox rather than having them in something like this. But then again, I may find a lot of use for it. You know, maybe you put your tools that you just do oil changes in or something. I don't know. But I do like the tray underneath, because whenever you're taking stuff off, you have some place to put it. You don't have to lay it on the ground and then try and roll over it. But I saw this. I think I actually saw it. The Jegs catalog came in and they had it, and I kind of need a new one anyway, so that's what I asked for. And so just first impressions. Got there's a nice bit of padding there. The two drawers are. There's not sliders like extension sliders or anything. It's just kind of a couple pieces of angle metal rolled over to create the drawer. And I'll see, now the other drawer does have sliders on it. So this one does actually have a full extension slider, so that'll be a little better. There's our instructions. And then it's powder coated sheet metal, it looks like, and everything has got nut zerts installed, and then just looks like it's all going to screw together. So, see what we think when we're done. Here's the package of wheels and the bolts. Plenty of foam. Oh no. Here's the bottom tray. And the side pieces. So it all seems to be packed really well. It's got foam around the insides. And it's not that actual foam, which I like better, rather than the styrofoam where it beads up and breaks up and makes a mess all over the thing. Powder coat looks real good. It's real durable. There's a few of these that have just regular nuts there, but they're welded in. Looks like pretty good welds on them. This is the spray can holder, hoping they're big enough to hold a cup. But that mounts off the side. These are nice heavy sides, probably 14 gauge, I would guess. Four of those. The powder coat looks good, good and clean. We got four. I feel like they're like have a little give to them, so they're not hard plastic, but they don't feel like they're rubber. Ball bearing caster, and then yeah, it looks like there's actually sealed bearing cartridges in there, so that would be replaceable. Comes with all the screws, lock washers, flat washers, and an Allen head wrench. And I'm going to break every American rule and look the instructions over real quick. I'll be right back with you. Here you have it, guys. It's the OEM Tools Workshop Creeper Seat. Went together super easy. I always like it when there's extra hardware. I don't know why, because I realize that means they're not actually counting, and so if there's extra hardware, it's a waste, and it's just as likely that you could end up short as you are ending up with extra. And for those of you who know anything about it, I know they're not actually counting it, and it's all done by weight. But interesting, there was one extra lock washer. That's the only piece of extra hardware. It did come with the Allen wrench. I elected to use, power Allen. And I actually like it. I mean, not just actually, I like it quite well. It's got a little spray can holder. Probably can get a cup in there. Of course, it's got the drawers, and like I said, this one's got the full extension slides. And then the other over here, which is mounted kind of below the first drawer, it's just on rails, like pieces of angle iron. Both are real nice. Super easy to put together, and took about, well, I'd say 20 minutes. The wheels look like they're going to do real well, so smooth, and it seems to hold level. So there you have it, donuts. And I think I'm going to use some of this foam that came in the packing and slide inside this drawer. Just cut out a couple pieces, lay in there. Some of it's pretty thick, but just lay in there to try and before I sit down. May put one down underneath as well, just as a so when you throw stuff down there, it's not rattling around. Hope you'll find this one useful. I'll put a link to it on Amazon. Although, like I said, I think I found it in the Jegs catalog when that came out this month. So I think it was on the cover. And I just compared prices, and it happened that Amazon was the same price as everybody else, but I didn't have to pay any shipping because Prime membership. So that was the reason I went to Amazon. But anyway, you guys have a great day. And I guess I am supposed to know, if you do buy this or anything else when you check my Amazon stores, I do get a little bit of a kickback off of it, but there's no affiliation otherwise, other than through Amazon. Nothing with OEM tools or any of the other tools you see me talking about on here. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you soon.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.